Hey guys, welcome to NRT Tutorials, and this is the place where you can learn full high quality VFX in the beginners and easiest way known. So in this tutorial video, what we are really going to be focusing on is this. So yeah, we're going to learn all of those magic tricks which you see in today's videos in Facebook or etc. So we're going to learn exactly that simply inside of any video editor you want. You can use like any video editor, starting from Windows Live Movie Maker and ending it with After Effects or even Hitfilm Pro. Just use any software you want. So yeah, with that being said, let's get started in this amazing and awesome tutorial. So, only because this effect can be done in any video editor or VFX compositor of your choice, I am in this tutorial video using just two apps to just show you how to do that. The first app, as you can see, is Adobe After Effects, and you can do it in any After Effects version. And the second app which I will show you will be Wondershare Filmora. So let's first do the same effect with Adobe After Effects. With After Effects, grab that media file and of course drag it into the new composition button so that it makes a new composition. Now what you simply have to do, during the filming of this effect, yes, I'm about to reveal the secret, is a simple thing that you have to hold the object in your hand at the first, and then you just drop it just like that. But how will it be that you are pulling the object? Just by playing the video in reverse, you will notice that the object automatically comes to the hand. The same thing is done with the gun pull effect, which I will show in a moment. So for this effect to begin, what you have to do is just right click on that video layer, go to time and just enable time remapping, and you'll find these two icons, these two little rhombuses. So what you now have to do is to pull this first rhombus at any point you want, and now what you have to do is to pull the end rhombus, the second rhombus, at the first point. Just click to drag this rhombus right at the beginning of the video, just like that. And the rhombus that you positioned over here, just bring it at the end of the video. And what this will do is you will notice now that your object will automatically lift to your hand just like that. Here you go. Now let's do the same effect with Wondershare Filmora. Filmora, grab that media file again. But in Filmora, it's actually really easy to do, unlike any other software. So I'll recommend you grab Filmora. So now what I'm going to be showing you is the gun one. The gun one was really different. As you saw in the gun video that I pulled the gun, but in the shooting, as you can see, what actually happens is I now have the gun, but when I go, I just let go of the gun so that the gun just slips out of my hand. Now what I have to do is double click on the video and then simply put a tick mark on this play video in reverse. And now if you go at the beginning and play our media back, you will notice now that the gun automatically comes to my hand just like that. So yeah, that's the easiest way to do that. So thanks everyone. If you have any questions or apps, leave them all in the comment sections below. For any details of this tutorial, click the like button. Of course, subscribe for more videos. And until next time, I am going to be seeing you later. But wait a minute. Why don't I catch this gun over again? Let's do it. I decided to try with this mask because it's really dangerous sometimes. So let's just start with this mask, okay? Let's do this.